Hello all and welcome to the CPCAB Level 3 Counselling course information video. The Level 3 Counselling Studies course is a very enjoyable course and we certainly fill a lot into our time. You'll find that your time with us, 3 hours a week, and it's a morning or an evening option. Your time will be filled with skills practice, small group activities and large group discussions. There's lots of interaction in your classroom time. You'll find there's an opportunity to get lots of feedback on a regular basis, not just from your tutor, either myself or Jackie O'Leary, but also from your peers as well. This will come in the form of verbal and written feedback on skills practice, and you'll also get feedback based on a group presentation as well, some more of that later. So we have options on a Tuesday morning between 9:30 and 12:45, Wednesday evening from 6 till 9, or Friday morning 9:30 to 12:45. I hope that one of these options is suitable for you. As well as being assessed regularly on skills practice and written coursework, you also have what we call a summative assessment, so a final assessment at the end of the course year. There are two aspects to this. One is internal assessment, so you'll submit a portfolio of your work similarly to what you've done on level 2, and that'll be assessed by your tutor. You'll also sit an external assessment, and you'll fill in a question paper based on a film of a counselling session, and you'll answer questions about that film and also generally about your classroom learning. That paper is then assessed by the awarding body. It's sent away and your teacher doesn't see it. So you have to pass the external assessment and you have to pass internally, so through submission of your portfolio, to pass the course altogether. Don't worry about the external assessment. You'll get lots of guidance and lots of time to prepare towards the external assessment. In fact, a lot of your classroom learning will help you to get ready for that. And in addition, you'll have 2 mock external assessments as well. You'll have the opportunity to learn more about counselling theory. We put quite an emphasis on person-centred theory and practice. You'll also have a chance to learn a little more about CBT and also about the psychodynamic model. There are some key areas that we'll look at as part of your learning as well. We'll put a focus on the BAC ethical framework, and we'll also look at how to establish and maintain the boundaries that are so important to counselling practice. Something else we'll do is look at how to establish, maintain and end a counselling skills relationship. We need also to put a focus on difference and diversity. It's a very important area of counselling studies, and so there'll be lots of personal development around that to help you to empathise with lots of different issues of difference and diversity. Self-awareness will be an important key to that, as it will to many other areas of your practice. We'll also put the focus just lightly on mental health, and we'll do that by exploring the counselling models. It's very important to give and receive feedback, and that will be a very important part of your learning. There are 3 tasks that you need to complete in order to pass your course. All of them are about either skills practice or about personal development. So you have a journal workbook. It's a very structured way of you keeping a journal. Helps you to self-reflect on your classroom learning. In addition, there'll be a case study that you begin, maintain and end with a peer in your class. You'll have a chance to record your skills practice, maybe something new for a lot of people. You'll also have a chance to transcribe some of your recorded learning to help you to evaluate your skills. Last but not least is a group work self-review. That's a personal development task, and it's based on your self-reflection, on your interaction with a small group, and what you've learned about yourself as a result of that. So those are your tasks. There are 3 assignments. You'll have an agency assignment to do. Very similar to level 2, you'll investigate a counselling or helping organisation, and see what you can learn about how they work ethically, how counselling skills are used within the organisation, perhaps even in a dual role. Once you've completed the individual work for that, you'll share your learning as part of a group and then present your overall learning as a group to the rest of the class. So there's a chance for everybody to learn an awful lot about different organisations and how to work using counselling skills within those organisations. Your second assignment is a theory assignment, and you'll have that to do about 2/3 of the way into your course when you've had a chance to learn about different models. It'll be a chance to take counselling theory that you've learnt about and look at how you can use it to learn more about yourself and your relationships with others, and particularly understanding why theory is important in skills practice. Your final assignment is a research assignment. It's an introduction to counselling research, and you'll have 3 sessions that are dedicated to learning about counselling research. You get plenty of help with your research essay. In fact, a lot of the work is done in the classroom through shared learning. So those are your 3 assignments. We have a purpose-built area with counselling booths. All of the booths, we have 5 booths, they all have recording equipment, so you don't have to go very far for skills practice and to do the recordings that are very much part of your case study task work. In addition, we have a fully stocked library, or learning resource centre as it's called nowadays. Lots of books to choose from. In addition to this video, I'll also be sending out a PowerPoint of information as well. I hope you find all of this useful. Please do contact me if you need any further information. I hope to see you soon at interview.